What's up? This is a bike check. Here we go. I got the S&M Grand Slam chrome bars. Got the front rim Verde Eon, Verde forks, Verde frame, premium cranks. Really don't know what kind of seat post that is, but I just randomly found it. But I got the Mission React back rim cassette hub, and I really don't know too much about it. Well, I got a Verde sprocket, and I don't know about the chain. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This bike's really good. It's my favorite. Got 8.25 rise on the Grand Slam bars. 20-inch bike.